especially when you're talking about shortages in personal protective gear. That's something Governor Whitmer mentioned, that all three major health systems in this area were facing. Some expected to run out of certain equipment just within days. Now, we know here at Henry Ford, between 600 and 700 workers have tested positive for the virus.
When you're talking about testing positive in the midst of this pandemic, really, if we are to test the whole population, probably we are going to see staggering numbers of people who are testing positive. And we need to remember that testing positive is just a matter of how contagious this virus is.
And it's hitting healthcare workers hard at Henry Ford and at Beaumont, two of Metro Detroit's leading health systems.
Probably between 600 and 700 individuals who have tested positive.
According to a report, around 1,500 workers at Beaumont are out with symptoms, including 500 nurses. It's unclear how many have tested positive. Last week, Beaumont's medical director of infection prevention said each and every day healthcare providers were getting sick. At Henry Ford, the 600 to 700 workers who are sick represent about 2% of its system staff, but only a fraction of hospital workers have been tested, so more cases are likely.
It is only 1 in 5 people who have the virus develop severe symptoms that will need care in the setting of a hospital.
Now, I also reached out to DMC to see what, if any, numbers their staff is reporting. We're expecting to hear back from them later on this morning. And keep in mind all of this as Michigan has yet to approach its peak in COVID-19 cases, which experts say could be days, if not more than a week away. Reporting live this morning in downtown Detroit, Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.